Ladies and gentlemen, today I am thrilled to take you on a journey of creativity and innovation. A journey that started with a simple, yet striking idea to transform a seemingly mundane, everyday object into a masterpiece of art. So, let me introduce you to the story of a toilet paper craft that has captured the hearts of many. Imagine this on a warm summer evening. A group of friends gathered around a toilet paper roll, discussing their latest crafting project. The spark of creativity ignited, and they began to weave, fold, and cut their toilet paper into intricate shapes and patterns. Their hands danced gracefully on the paper, transforming it into a canvas, from which came a breathtaking piece of art. As their toilet paper craft unfolded, so did the story of their passion and dedication to the craft. Each fold, each cut, and each added detail told the tale of their love for creativity and the beauty that can be found in the simplest of objects. The scene that unfolds before you is a testament to the power of imagination and the magic of crafting. A toilet paper roll becomes a canvas, a mask, a bird, or a tree, all because of the passion and creativity of the artist. This is the story of a toilet paper craft, a story of beauty that unfolds before your very eyes. So, the next time you find yourself with a mundane object, remember that the potential for crafting is limitless. With a touch of imagination and a pinch of passion, you too can create a masterpiece that will leave you in awe. And who knows, your next toilet paper roll may just be the next piece of art that unfolds the beauty of creativity.